Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or help solve the problem of grayed out on Discord. To know how to fix or help solve grayed out on Discord app, you should just go to settings. After that, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here we'll enter to the window of Discord. Then you can click on first app and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors or it can delete your account. In the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.